Is 9 raised to power n minus 4 raised to power n is equal to 6 raised to power n. We're about to solve for the value or values of n in this equation. Okay. First things first, let's divide through this number, each of them by 9 raised to power n. So we have 9 raised to power n divided by 9 raised to power n is 1 minus 4 raised to power n divided by 9 raised to power n is equal to 6 raised to power n divided by 9 raised to power n. Now from here, you can say that this is 1 minus 4 is 2 squared, so we have 2 squared, okay, raised to the power of n divided by 9, which is what? 3 squared. So we can say that 9 is 3 squared. So we have 3 squared raised to the power of n as well to be equal to 2. So 6 now can be said to be equal to 2 raised to power n times 3 raised to power n. Okay, divided by 9 is 3 raised to power n times 3 raised to power n. Okay, now you see that 3 raised to power n strikes 3 raised to power n. Okay, so that we now have that this is 1 minus. Now you can re-express this as 2 because this is square and this is n. When you have this, you can multiply the powers. So this becomes 2 raised to power 2n and 3 raised to power 2n. So we can say that this is now equal to 2 divided by 3 all raised to the power of what? 2n equal to, this is 2 raised to power n and 3 raised to power n. So we can say that this is 2 divided by 3 all raised to the power of n. Okay? Now from here, you can say something. We can say that let 2 over 3 raised to power n be equal to y. Okay? So if this is y, we have 1 minus, this is 2 in the power multiplied by n. So this will become y squared. Why this other one will be equal to y. Now let's solve this quadratic equation. We equate our answers to this to get the value for n. Okay? Now moving on from here, we can now say that y squared, okay, plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay? Now, we use the quadratic formula to solve this. So we have that y here will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, now this is equal to, this is minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 squared is 1 minus 4 times 1 minus 1 is plus 4 times 1 is plus 4 still all over 2 times 1, which is 2. And this is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 5 all over 2. And this is what our y is equal to. Now, recall that we say that our y is equal to 2 over 3 all raised to the power of n. Okay? Now, 2 over 3 is 0.67. Okay? So we can say that this is 0.67 raised to the power of n to be equal to y. Okay? Now, let's now substitute these values for y to get the final value for n. Okay? Now let's do that. Now moving on from here, we can now say that we have that 0.67 raised to the power of n is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 5 divided by 2 for y2 and y1 respectively. Okay? Now, from here we can say, let's say the logarithm of both sides is in the base of 0.67. So we have logarithm in base 0.67 of 0.67 raised to the power of n is equal to the logarithm in base of 0.67 of minus 1 plus or minus root of 5 all over 2. Okay, of everything here. Now, this becomes equal to, so when you have this, you multiply this power and the log. So we have n. Log of a number to the same base and the same number is 1. So that we have that n is now equal to log to base 0.67 of minus 1 plus or minus root of, okay, 5 divided by 2. Okay? So this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.